I sense a thick layer of sarcasm. Pachinko.
306 players got a number 1. Enjoy the win. Betting time is open right now. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Well, you can autoplay as well if you like to, by the way. So, get ready, get set. It's time for us to get a big bonus, or top slot, or something juicy, or a 5 or a 10. Something else besides 1s and 2s would be great, so good luck. Your birthday is coming. Please give bonus, Aisha. Happy early birthday. Hoping for a bonus. We got a cash on 4 top slot right now, which would be amazing if we would have get it, and we're gonna be getting it. Woo! Cash on 4x. This better be good. Come on, board. Da 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 da. 500. Manifest that. Yes! Woo! Best win of the day. Hey. Best win of the day. Hey. Best win of the day. Hey. Best win of the day. Hey, we got a 2000X for you. Oh, baby boy. Let's go. This is crazy, guys. Straight on. Woo! Woo! You spin me right round, baby, right round. When you go down, down. Oh, you guys. I ain't gonna comment. But there is a 2000X there, so where's my Robbie bunny? Aha! I'm gonna choose that, you know how Robbie's strategy works, ouch. Well, 17 players got a 2000X. 17 players got a 2000X. Congratulations, let's go. Woohoo!
Sure. 3,582 winners, C and quadruple K. 163 euros on the wins. And forwards we go. That's a close. Silver says, amazing. I sense a thick layer of sarcasm. Pachinko's got a 10x. Come on, would you call this amazing? Or this what you call, we're ill 10x on Pachinko? Ill. Come on. Yes, ew, 10x on Pachinko? Nasty. Get that out of here. No, of course. Let's get it. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, 10x here on Pachinko. Hello. My hands are shaking. But I'm still shook. Okay, before we see that, let's take a look at the multipliers. Come on. Okay, 7x starts out with pump it up though. 15, 20, 35, 40. Come on, look at that. 400x out here. Woo-wee! Look at all those multipliers. Look at all those chickens. Let's go. Come on, baby. 400x. All right, well, okay, there's a lot of really great ones to land on there. Let's hope for the best. Let's get out that bird 50 cal. Locked and loaded. Come on, 350x. 350x right here. 200x or 350. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. 350x on Pachinko.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.